your pencils ready. It's about to go down. Everybody in place got your pencils? Check. Let's stay on your tippy toes. We running this, let's go. I know the slope. I know the slope. Everybody look at us cause we're teaching you the slope. I know the slope. I know the slope. Take a good hard look and let's learn the slope.
I'm gonna teach you the slope, take a look at me. Straight line on a graph, oh what could it be? Divide, rise over, run, and you'll get your slope. You can't stop us teachers, cause I know the slope.
So take a picture, Chad, cause you won't be sad. We're teaching linear facts to the whole class. I got my line graphs and my label tables. I'm flipping numbers, not watching Sabres playing hockey.
I'm writing an equation, y equals mx plus b. This triangle drawing, it's as easy can be. But this ain't general math, this is real as it gets. I know the slope, boys and girls, and don't you ever forget.
Got a graph and with a line and I need a triangle to figure out the slope and take rise over run and divide by wheel. Can't figure slope, then you sure aren't Mio.
Understand I'm smart bloodsucker. Screw that, I'm going to college, I a plucker. I'm on the top with my TC rocker. So let's do this math and don't be a trucker.
Hey Ma, if you can see me now, figuring out slopes so don't have a cow.
Getting by with this slope right now. Like Mr. Cornet,
anything is possible.
yeah.
Never thought I'd figure out slope. It's a simple equation.